inside of me, I never let you see.
Hi everyone, this is Shadow here. I'm with my friend here, Golden Freddy. Say hi.
AKA Noah, hi.
Yeah, this is noahgaming90s. And me and him were playing Airplane 3. I don't know why we have 2 wins, like, we don't know yet, but let's go in the store, Noah. Noah? Oh, there you are.
Okay,
Let's go in. So, as you can
so
probably all you guys see Noah speak, like, he can do a Russian voice. Noah, impress my fans.
okay.
Do
Oh,
jump.
hello guys. Today we're going to do something.
Man, you're just like John Connor. Like from Terminator. John Connor! John Connor! Yeah, it's so funny. So we're
Yeah,
teleporting right into the story. As
yeah.
all you wondering why Thunder did the thing on Mr. Tafar without no reason, like believe me. He does a lot of things without no reason. But, you know, sometimes he does. Like, it's always... It's just like another day. Believe me. Noah, please take a
Yeah.
seat.
Okay.
And as you want to see my screen, it literally says on Spanish, so Noah's gonna speak Russian. Alright, Noah, do John Connor.
Okay. Okay. Okay, let me do it. You're probably wondering why I gathered you guys here.
Yes, sir. We don't know. Why were you brought us here? What's the important mission today, sir?
I'm the Black Sea States Army General.
Yeah, that's funny.
You can call me General Poncho.
General Poncho, really?
From this point on, everything I say should be taken as an order,
Yes, sir. We will do our best.
or else you will be expelled from the team.
Okay, sir, we get it. We are 4 persons.
Now,
I mean-
please take a seat.
Sir, we are already seats. Oh, okay, no, we're not. Oh, wait, Noah.
It's 9:108.
Yeah, that's why I put in the chat. I thought that was a real Mr. Tafar for a second. Okay, keep reading on Russian.
Okay,
What did he do, sir?
that is where we're heading.
Heading to what?
Ronald McDonald has kidnapped the captain of an airplane.
Oh no, everyone is in danger at that point. We must capture Ronald. But how will
That
we
is
do it?
right. Luckily, the plane is still flying in autopilot mode, which means everyone is safe.
But how we gonna do this, sir?
Our mission is to stop Ronald McDonald. We need to find that plane and get everyone out safely, okay?
Okay.
We'll find Ronald McDonald in Texas and bring him to justice.
Yes, sir. But the question is, how we gonna handle the plane? Like, can you tell me?
Good question. Follow me.
Yes, sir. Guys, our mission is to stop Ronald McDonald or Ronald Dick. Oh, my base spot. Guys, as you may be wondering, Ronald is the monster. Like, there's airplane 3 is the prequel of the other airplanes. Like, this airplane 3 is a prequel. Like, that's all you're wondering. Holy shit, there's military suits. Nice. Oh, and they're free. But the VIPs are not, because... Oh wait, someone died. Oh, it's 3 of us then. Not enough fuel. Fuck. Yep, it's not enough fuel for a plane. God fucking damn it. Guys, I pushed the girl off the plane. I mean, right off the bridge with the yellow thing I had on my hand.
Get to the chopper.
Look, Tony Stark is still alive. Yes, Tony, you're back. Actually, not really. Tony Stark is dead. funny first of all. Like,
Yeah.
I'm a banana, I'm a banana. Wait, kill the
I
voice.
do. Oh yeah, there's something about this random guy. At first sight, he looks like a good person. Why would he do something like that?
I don't know, sir, mate. I don't know. That's weird part.
General, what are these bananas for?
Yes, I hope they're not poison.
Oh, I thought you could be hungry.
Seriously, hungry.
Yeah,
Okay, I need
everyone
this.
have a banana. You might need the energy for later.
Oops.
Sir,
Wait, don't even know it's poison. Are you serious?
oh my god.
Are you serious, General? What?
But dude, can you say
Haha, I'm just
okay?
joking. It's an old joke. General, that is not funny. Are you serious? I'm sorry. I just have to do it. What an old man. Anyways, we will be in a quiet for more hours. Maybe you can relax and take a nap, okay?
Can you say it?
Oh, what? Oh, wow.
Oh,
Uh,
but dude, can you
is
say? Can you say it?
Oh shit, and Thunder Strike does. Fuck you, Thunder Cowell. Fuck you. You're not gonna reach us.
Yeah.
General, wait. Do we have to go outside? No, we're not gonna die, Noah. We're not gonna die.
I don't think we're gonna die.
It's okay. Everyone relax. We will finish the engine, but I guess you're gonna have to cover me outside. Uh-oh. Wait, outside? Oh, shit. You guys are not gonna... I'm not gonna see this, guys. Like, this part is very dangerous. Plus, yeah, Thunder is not gonna strike us. 1 minute, are you serious? That fucking Thunder, you're not gonna reach us, bro. You suck.
Yeah, you suck.
You'll never defeat
Take
us, bro.
it.
You'll never defeat us.
Yeah.
I've never seen a stone so strong. Same general, we never seen it. However, what the fuck?
Oh, what is that?
Ah! What is that? That is flight palm. It's flight palm.
Yes, White Paul.
We will stop this destiny. We will stop running.
Ah!
Get inside, get inside.
What?
Inside. There you are, running McDonald. Stop there.
Yeah, stop.
How did you come here? Not right away. Come back here.
Come back here. What? Bro, we can't chase him.
Yeah, there's a risk. Run McDonald went on the captain. Shit. Bravo, open the door. We can solve this. Let the captain go. What's why would you do this? Like, why?
Yeah.